Hi everyone, my name is Carolyn Muir. I did part or role B for this project. As Latasha had explained in the beginning, our topic was neurodevelopmental intellectual developmental disability. So for this project, I had to summarize an article, and the article I chose focused on being too withdrawn or too friendly, considering social vulnerability in two neurodevelopmental disorders. So, as I read this article, I thought it had a lot of key points that focused on the hypersociability and social withdrawal that are seen in some neurodevelopmental disorders. The individuals that can possibly have discrepancies with decision making. There were several others, such as having a lack of emotional understanding and lack of awareness, which tends to heighten the vulnerability of victimization, such as like being bullied. One of the examples the article listed was like being raped or dealing with racism. This population does have high rates of psychopathology, physical and sexual abuse, and suicidal ideation and aggressive, disruptive behaviors. So that pretty much sums up the article that I did read. Like I said, it did have a lot of key points and it really